It's safety first when we assess the core features of these appliances. We prioritized safety and review space heaters that have top-notch overheat protection and tip-over protection that are certified. These features are important to ensure safety and help prevent accidents in your home. There are many products available to choose the best room heaters for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best room heaters for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeLonghi TRD 40615T Full Room Radiant Heater. The DeLonghi TRD 40615T Full Room Radiant Heater offers up to 40% more radiant heat surface. It's perfect for larger rooms as it provides uniform heating and quickly removes the chill from the air. When the temperature drops below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, the antifreeze standby mode automatically turns the heater on. The built-in safety features on this DeLonghi space heater are excellent. It is equipped with a child lock, a tip-over switch, and a thermal cut-off mechanism in the event of overheating. It's portable and pre-assembled with patented smart snap wheels. You can wheel this DeLonghi space heater and use it to heat your living room, bedroom, kitchen, and many other spaces in your home. Voltage: 115 V output, 1500 watts heating method, radiant and infrared heating coverage, 144 SQ feet. Number 2. Vornado PVH Whole Room Vortex Heater. The Vornado heater uses Vortex forced air technology to move the air in a tornado-like pattern to distribute heat evenly. It delivers continuous uniform heat and can heat your room quickly, quietly, and efficiently. There's also an adjustable thermostat with 2 heat settings built into the unit. Low heat, 750 watts, or high heat, 1500 watts. This Vornado is also equipped with a PVH Cool Touch case. It's suitable and safe to be placed in your bedroom or small office and with pets or children around. Voltage: 120 V output, up to 1500 watts heating method, forced air heating coverage, up to 200 SQ feet. Number 3. Arlem Oil-Filled Radiator Heater. The Arlem Oil-Filled Radiator Heater can heat up a room fairly quickly with its adjustable 3-level heat settings, 600W, 900W, 1500W. This portable heater with wheels is equipped with 7 oil-filled fins, no refilling needed, that are permanently sealed with diathermic oil. If a maximum temperature is reached, it automatically turns off. It's very quiet too when in operation. Feel free to wheel this heater from room to room. Additionally, there is an additional wire storage rack that can be used to neatly wind and store cables when not in use, which makes this heater neat and space-saving. Voltage: 120 volts heat output, 1500 watts heating method, oil-filled radiator heating coverage, 250 SQ feet. Number 4. Cadet SoftHeat 593 Hydronic Baseboard Heater. The Cadet 593 is a portable baseboard heater that can heat up to 500 SQ feet space and delivers lasting warmth. It saves energy by retaining heat to generate residual warmth even after the thermostat is turned off. If maximum temperature is reached, the unit will shut down automatically. As this is a portable baseboard heater, no installation is required. Feel free to use it in your living room, bedroom, or home office. This space heater is also suitable for people with severe allergies. Voltage: 120 volts heat output, 1500 watts heating method, convection, radiant heating coverage, 500 SQ feet. Number 5. DeLonghi Mica-Thermic Panel Heater. The DeLonghi Mica panel heater complements any room decor. It is designed to quickly and effectively provide multi-directional warmth in large rooms without taking up too much floor space, thanks to its tiny footprint and handy wall mount option, hardware provided. The Mica-Thermic technology used in its adjustable room thermostat ensures that the heat is distributed evenly without the use of a fan, keeping a comfortable temperature in your room. It is a very energy-efficient space heater that utilizes real energy to offer continuous heat while raising the room temperature to your desired temperature. When the temperature falls below 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees centigrade, the antifreeze setting activates the heater, which helps prevent frozen pipes, especially in basements or vacation homes. This space heater is also suitable for people with severe allergies. Voltage: 110 volts heat output, 1500 watts heating method, Mica-Thermic, radiant and infrared, fan and forced air heating coverage, 400 SQ feet. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.